Hey there, thank you so much for watching. This is going to be the first in a 5-video series called The Organized Christmas Countdown. So let me kind of give you the backstory on that. I love Christmas, and I love Christmas and the holidays and that sort of like holiday festive season, and I always have, but here's the thing. So I'm single, no kids, nothing to worry about, very small family, very few people, few but like good people to buy gifts for, and even though I love Christmas, I found myself getting stressed out around the holidays. I don't know if you can relate. Like I just, for some reason, I never felt like I'd like done things enough, like I'd done enough for like my friends and my like community and the church that I'm part of, and that was entirely on me. Like I felt like I wasn't participating enough, like I hadn't sent my cards soon enough or well enough, or we weren't decorating enough for the house, and tons of things. Like I was never prepared, and like another thing was like I never had like holiday ready outfits. Like that was a big thing. So it was just a mess, and I felt like this was silly because I love the time so much, the holiday Christmas time so much, that I would have really wanted I would have enjoyed it more if I had been more prepared. So enter what ended up being for me a huge, wonderful solution. So there is an email series website called The Organized Christmas. And what it is, it was started by a woman named Cynthia Ewer, and I'll link to her site below. This was a way, and it's like a daily email, so beginning the 21st of October, so it was actually last week. But she sends you, but I'm just jumping in now anyway. She sends you one email a day and gives you a little teeny tiny task to work toward the idea of going into the holiday season with a clear head and all your ducks in a row, so to speak. So I found that that really helped me to kind of feel like I was on top of things and like I was getting ready, and it really allowed me to experience and appreciate the holiday season in a much more relaxed and enjoyable way. So I've been receiving this email, and it's the same emails every year, but for some reason it always looks fresh. So it's something. It's 6 weeks, 6 times 7, what is it, 42? So you get 42 emails, and it goes right up through the first week of December. So December hits, and you can like breathe a big sigh of relief and just spend your time enjoying. So Thanksgiving, I think, is the second to last week, and then there are like tasks for like celebrating and enjoying the season starting in December. So I'm going to post one video on this topic, having an organized Christmas a week, and I'm going to share some of the emails and the assignments in the email, and I'm going to post them ahead of time so that I can share them with you and also show you throughout the week how I'm completing them. So I hope that there will be like a video with like the assignments and then a video showing how I'm doing on the assignments. So that's the plan so far, so stay tuned. So the first week is the Get Organized week, and there are all these like principles on her website. This first week is Get Organized. The second week, which starts tomorrow, which would be Sunday the 28th, is a reality check week. So these 2 weeks are really sort of super for us, like planning people on a budget, really, really essential and helpful. And also in terms of budgeting and planning and saving for Christmas. Even if you haven't saved anything so far, like it's not too late. Debt-Free Dana has a great video on how to save $1,000 for Christmas. And I will link that below because that was super helpful as well. So for the first 2 weeks, here are some of the assignments, and these are the ones that I'm going to complete and sort of document as well. So one of the assignments is to come up with a holiday planner, and since I've done this countdown for about, I want to say 4 years, I have my holiday planner, I call it a codex, all ready to go. So I have in this holiday planner some menus that we've had from past years, shopping lists. That's super helpful because you can just grab it, and I put it in like a page protector, so you can just grab it and like go down the list in the supermarket. A menus that we've had, a week plan for things to clean, like a timeline for when to do all that, and she'll sort of get you through like cleaning your freezer, cleaning your fridge. She'll give you all these different assignments through this countdown series. So this is my Christmas planner that I've kept from the years before, and it's like a great way to document things that I've done in the past and either do them again or know what to avoid for the future. So that's the first assignment, is to make a holiday planner. The second assignment is to decide what your holiday values are. What's important to you? Maybe you love going to a Christmas Eve service. Maybe you really like decorating and you want to have like put a lot of energy into decorating. Decide like the things that really matter to you the most. Maybe that's spending time with family. So decide that ahead of time so you're not kind of caught off guard saying, oh, that was really important and I didn't do it. Another assignment is to make a master gift list. This is always fun. Saying like who you're going to get gifts for this year. That's important. A card list. Get your card list started now in October so you're not freaking out come like the second week of December. No all-nighters. That's the thing. No staying up all night to get your cards done. The last thing for this week was a home spruce up. Go through your house, do a walkthrough, and say, what do you want to put your energy in? If you only have a certain amount of time and energy and budget, what do you want to do this holiday season to feel kind of cozy and warm and inviting? She recommends any project that will take longer than, I think it's 2 hours, just scratch it off the list. Just shelve it for this year and move on. She's got some really, really helpful hints and tips. So that's week 1 in the Get Organized. The week 2 assignments for the reality check week are to set your holiday budget. Again, for us budgeting nerds, never comes too soon. To really be conscious of the media influence that you're seeing around you. It's not too soon. I mean, the dollar stores had Christmas decorations up. Walmart's had them up for months now. Well, for months, for weeks now. And then the third assignment is to go through your clothes and start deciding on a holiday wardrobe, because it's I don't know if you've been there where you have an event to go to and you're at the last minute you're oh crap, I need to wear something festive. Don't do that to yourself. Decide in advance what you're gonna wear. Have 1 or 2 outfits. Maybe all you need to do is add, I don't know, for guys a different tie, or for girls you can add a plaid bow or a plaid belt to sort of spruce things up. That's what I'm totally planning on doing, and I will show you what I did. I'm taking one thing that I've had for ages and then pairing it with something else. Done. Forget spending a lot of money the night before on a dress that you don't really love, but you feel you should have, because you want something festive, you're going to use that. So these are the assignments for this week. Your holiday budget, be conscious of the media influences, and decide on your holiday wardrobe for your reality check. And if you feel like making a Christmas planner, that would be super. I will give you more shots of my Christmas planner. I'll kind of try to spruce it up as well, and I will share that throughout the week. And I'm hoping that you have found this helpful or interesting or engaging, and this hopefully, again, will be my plan to go from bare bones to a Christmas wonderland, or as near as I can get to it on my budget. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you will watch again soon.